Hi everyone, it's Cole here and I'm here with Jenny,
Hello.
Of course, who else? And we've been, well, one of our good friends has been struggling to help teach their young son how to count and do the alphabet. So there's a few things that we do here which can involve counting, but obviously fitness and a bit of PE as well. So Jenny's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, I know a lot of you are struggling with homeschooling teenagers. This doesn't apply to you because hopefully you can count. But people that have got like preschool, nursery, or reception children. So this is for you. So yeah, like Cole said, one of our members messaged us saying, "Oh God, I'm really struggling, to get my child to count to 20. We're just getting stuck on 13. I think it was 13. We're getting stuck.
We're going to 20.
And then in the corner of her eye, she saw her pads on the floor, and her kid does the TODDLERS class with me, and so she counted using the punches, and he got it within probably, I can't remember, it was 2 minutes, but she'd spent like a long time trying to get him to 20. So we're just saying that we're not teachers, well, we are teachers, but we're not like your school teachers, but just sometimes try and think outside the box. I know you might think, oh, you know that, but sometimes it is just that thinking. If they love dance, if they love, I don't know, superheroes, something, just try and make it fun.
And relatable.
And that's what our member did. Her kid loves kickboxing and he's always online, he's always doing it. I would have shown you the video of him counting with jab cross, but he was in his pants, so I can't. But yeah, just please, you've got to try and make learning fun. Don't put too much pressure on yourself.
Or the student.
Or the student, because then the child will end up crying and you'll end up crying and it just gets into a war. It does need to be fun. I mean, I cannot do any maths with my girls, they're way ahead of me. But, so I do feel for you. But
So this is why we're doing 20.
We're only going to 20, just teaching you how to count. So just try and make it fun. Just incorporate something that they love doing. Just think outside the box.
So it could be dance steps, for example.
Yeah, it could be anything.
And we're not going to teach you how to dance.
No.
So we're just going to show you very quickly, as simple as this may sound, we just want to show you because this is what we're going to...
Who's watching? Hi, Nick.
Yeah, say hello if you're there. Nick.
Samson.
Oh, hey Nick, over in the States. How you doing, buddy? Right, you can teach this to all the HKUSE people.
Hey, you've got babies, you can do this then.
So you can incorporate the maths side of it, the counting side of it, but you can also incorporate some PE and some fitness. So, very simple, jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've got 20. Now, what happens when you take your mindset somewhere else? So I could turn and say, oh, Jen, do you remember that film with that actor? And you just can't think of that actor or the film. And then 10 minutes later, you'll be walking along the road and you'll go, oh, Brad Pitt, or something like that. Because your brain is trying to think about it so hard. If you're sitting there going, 1, 2, what comes after 2? Oh, I'm not sure. Because you're analysing it so much, your brain goes elsewhere. I don't know the technical data behind it, but that's kind of what happens. So if you're focusing on the punching, it can sometimes be easier not to overcomplicate it, and then you look at the counting and the punching side together rather than just the counting.
I mean, first of all, you can go jab, cross, jab, cross, and then just adjust it. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you can just progress up to, obviously, well done, Carl, counted to 20.
See, and the teachers told me I'd fail at school. And then you could turn it into maths. So you could go.
Maths.
Yeah. You could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You could go 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on and so on. So you go, I'm only going to go to the 3 times table. But you see my point, you can have a little bit of fun with it, a little bit of PE. And again, when you're hitting things, put them back up. Like that is so much more fun than going 1, 2. And you could do that with alphabet as well, couldn't you? So you could go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. So I can't go any further than that either. So it was just, we wanted to share that with you, a quick little tip. It's a bit of fun.
Yeah, we're just trying to help you out. We're not the experts, but
Hey.
We're back on your screen.
We are the experts, the kickboxing experts. So, anyway, we've got the tots to get ready for. So,
yeah, so we're going to go online in 6 minutes with the tots. So if you're not involved, you need to get involved. Give us a message.
cool. Take care and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, Nick and everyone else. Can't hit the button now.